Take two. Quiet and set.
Okay guys, I'm here in St. Elizabeth. Rick's Cafe, don't know, so this is the place we go. What? What the farm there? Cyril? Your mother farm? Solan said she never have no, she never make no Cyril juice. Alright, that's the truth. Why you eat heavy?
Ready? Yes.
No, me eat a roll?
Yeah, man, it's rolling.
Man, I used to the gimbal light.
Yeah, man, go.
Alright, so it's a road trip day. You get me, so I'm doing a vlog of the entire trip to Rick's Cafe. That's like the other part of Jamaica. So I'm gonna check out Google Maps and say, oh, almost 4-hour drive. You see me? So that's the plan, you know, so just enjoy and subscribe for more. You get me? So I'm out. The reverse from the reverse.
Yeah, but see, the camera
Watch it. First, I can't serious. Police station see problem. The heat turn up, you like the drive come so far. What do you think?
For burn up. Driving nice, man. Jamaica needs some better roads, you know?
Yeah, better roads.
What?
Better roads for true. Westmoreland, we here.
What all them deep?
Driving, come all the way to Westmoreland and nothing normal, isn't me? So right now, Rick's Cafe, almost reach. 4-hour drive. I'm gonna link my bridging first. And here we go on. You see me? Alright. Let the road begin. Start the road. I feel like I go too close to you, don't it? That's good. Now, man. Woo. can lock it off, man. Dog, what that? Lock off the get the alarm, the man. You hear them alarm then?
In the middle of nowhere, I hear this technology.
I hear the alarm. The alarm is loud enough. SNG, good.
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Where's the place name?
Sweet River near Ferris Cross. Yeah, man, then just recently, like, laying out the whole property, like, there's full of bush here. I think they're gonna try to create something here, so I use it before that time comes, before entrance fee comes. You know,
you know what Jamaican people say.
Yeah, need a little bit of money.
Take a walk over here and see it, look.
So they have a little rope up there. Can swing off.
Come on. Yo, that place is nice.
This is a river party, you know.
River party? Yo, I don't know. I didn't say I couldn't live. Sorry, I couldn't live so far still. Come on, it's well far. Yes, it's freaking far from the town, bro.
Yeah.
Like I couldn't
You couldn't live in a spacious area?
What?
In this kind of spacious area?
It's too spacious, I should say.
Yeah.
You never come with that one. You never come with that. Boy, I plan on I thinking about that, you know. 3/4 of the time, so like 3/4 of the time, want do something as relates to swimming. Him can't swim like that. Cause enough time I say, yo dog, forward I go deep in the water. No, I'm afraid of the deep. I'm like, why are you afraid of the deep? Yeah, but it's nice. It all that means it all depends on how long you can hold your breath for. But I don't know. I tell you it's a simple thing.
You know, I feel comfortable, you say, no? I feel comfortable, you say, no, me have water already, you know? Ready? One jump. Well executed.
Right, I've got nothing. Drop quick now.
Drop now?
Drop quick.
Ready.
Yeah, see, I'm like, hurry up. Go on. Come on. Big fish. Big fish. Boy, yeah, swim.
Water move away.
Trust me, this location is dope.
It's dope.
Fam.
Thanks. It is, man.
Dope.
It's only one of the new spots them here in Westmoreland, I guess. I would say upcoming.
But like the thing is, when I it's free,
Yeah.
let's hope say government are rolling
Yeah.
and then take it over and see how you may say you have to pay some money in it.
That's I don't want that to reach me, to be honest. I don't want it to reach me. Because I was coming here as a child and it was always free. But they just clean up the whole property. We used to bush up, but
Yeah.
no, yeah. I like it better now, still. So it's a good look, at least.
Let's hope say right here, so you know, people not say, oh, you have to pay the money.
Yeah.
That's all.
Just that my fret boat.
Not fret no one.
Well, it's supposed to get a local entrance for free, right?
That can't work.
Right? We bring the
work.
tourists them here and it's cool. It's like
That
a
can't
picnic type area still. You think?
Yeah, I love the area. Like the area nice. Like I can't believe that's the area still. Really nice.
One of those hidden gems.
Alright. Now lie. Respect again, isn't me, bro?
No problem.
Next time.
Yeah.
I'm out.
Later, man.
Yeah.
Out.
Your mom was lost for goggles. Which means I cannot swim with it. Can't dive in with it.
Alright, it's because I have a try. So you must say we could start from that one here because that's slightly higher than this.
$2,000 we take the GoPro to the top.
Huh?
$2,000 we took the GoPro to the top, get some good footage and we jump with it. Yeah.
Yo, this high as fuck.
Oh. Oh, fuck.